Welcome home. Hey there. Welcome to the beautiful Apopka, Florida. Hey there, young man. Have a good time riding your bike. Welcome to 2210 Palm Vista Drive here in Apopka, 32712. My name is Jonathan Speagle, Dreammaker, brokered by eXp Realty in the Home Squad. Let's go check out this new home. I love this neighborhood. Are you looking for your next place to call home? Come on out to North Orlando area. Apopka has one of the most amazing areas that's filled with lakes, hills, country, and just close enough to all of the popular theme park attractions to still make you feel like you can almost hear the fireworks going off at 9 p.m. every single night. 2210 Palm Vista Drive houses a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, wonderful layout with a split floor plan. The main bedroom is on the left-hand side as you enter the home. As well as a brand new redone media room. 2 different levels where you can relax, play your video games, watch your favorite, shows. There's also a look-through fireplace that connects this new media room into the family room. Over on the other side of the home, we have all 3 of the other bedrooms with another full bathroom that leads right out to the amazing patio. This whole patio is screened in for entertainment. It has access to this place from 3 different areas. Also a brand new refinished surface pool, pressure washed, sparkling clean. It is looking for the next family or friendly gathering. I didn't even mention the built-in brick oven out on the patio. We have almost half an acre tucked away in northern Orlando, looking for its new owner. A refreshed AC unit with a new roof. Come on in here and see what's looking for you when you look for it on the other side of the looking glass. What do you get when you cross Central Florida living with a little bit of a country vibe? Nice countertops, wonderful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. You're right, this place. I love it here. I don't think I'll ever leave, except I have to leave someday when I sell it.